Hi everyone, it's Boa and today I'm going to be filming a makeup routine tutorial thing. Listen, I'm no makeup artist. I am not going to be giving you life-changing tips, but if anyone was curious, this is my routine that I get ready for stream with. I'll be listing all the makeup products that I use throughout the video and in the description below, so check that out if you're curious. Apart from that, just enjoy the video. I am so sorry that this is gonna be a really scuffed tutorial, but enjoy. And we're zoomed in. Well, I start with the off-duty contour stick. We dab. It's not wet enough. Okay, the beauty blender is more wet now, which makes it a bit easier to blend things out, which is nice. It's gonna look a bit weird initially because it's quite intense because I'm super pale. Trust the process. I didn't apply primer, shit. Okay guys, learn from my mistakes. You are meant to use the primer before the contour. I was stupid, I forgot. So just take a little bit on your finger and I'll just put it basically anywhere and everywhere. Usually my chin. You're meant to put it everywhere, I think, but I just put it basically in everywhere that I don't put contour conveniently. This is very technical applications, obviously. I feel primed. Well, I kind of put foundation and concealer on at the same time. For foundation, I use this MAC foundation. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but my concealer is hella light, so they kind of balance each other out. My shade is N3AAO. I don't even know if that's the actual shade, but I'm pretty sure it is. For concealer, I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Extra creamy, ultra creamy, ultra creamy. We look like a little clown. I'm gonna put a bit of foundation on to help us blend it, and then we should be looking fresh. Okay, we're ready to bake or set or do something with powder. I use the Mercier powder, the translucent one. Okay, sick. We have powder. Grab a little bit on our beauty blender and we pat. I feel good. I feel dry. I feel powdered. Next step, eyebrows. I use eyeshadow on my eyebrows. Feel free to judge. So I just use an angled brush. It's got a spoolie on the end though. That's kind of cool. Kind of fun. It's like it's meant to be for eyebrows, you know? I use the Kat Von D palette, the Shade and Light one, and I basically go in with this shade. It's a bit dark, but like I like my eyebrows being a bit dark, you know? Eyebrows. In order to get rid of the powder that I've got all over my face, I go in with my dirty ass Hoola Beauty Hoola Benefit bronzer. You can see I love this bronzer, but Jesus. I'm just taking an angled brush, again, Morphe. I love Morphe brushes. To kind of like set my cream contour from earlier, I'm just kind of going in with a powder bronzer. After I've gone in with my bronzer with whatever, like, you know, my brush is relatively clean, I will just take the excess powder off my face. I'm satisfied. I do super intense nose contour sometimes if I'm feeling like it because I want to channel my inner TikTok guru, and then I'm going in my nose, in it, around it. It looks a bit funky, but we move. Next up will be eyeshadow, my favorite. I usually go in for eyeshadow with the Modern Renaissance. Again, please ignore how dirty it is. This thing has been with me since my first dance competition. Okay, eyeshadow, I don't care if you tell me it expires. To me, it does not. It does not until it's out of this palette. So I will keep using it until it's gone. For the base shade, I will be going in with this little guy over here. There is no technical application here. I literally just take it on my middle finger and I smear it on my face. I literally just dab it on and that works. That looks a bit funky. We are going to take a big fluffy brush. It's not super fluffy, but you know, it'll do the job. I'm going to go into my crease and take this little warm taupe, I believe. Yeah, it's called warm taupe. Now for the scary part. Eyeliner. I love this Stila eyeliner because it is double-sided. So on one side, check it out, it's like a normal eyeliner, but on the other side it's super tiny. Let's go. Let's hope I don't fuck it up. So I take a small angled brush next. I just take a black eyeshadow and just pat that right where I put the spikes on my eyeliner. I find it sets it, especially when I was streaming a long time, I would find that it would bleed down. So this kind of sets it in place and doesn't let them move. Biggest tip from me, black eyeshadow over eyeliner. So the next step I will be doing is taking some white eyeliner. So this one here is the Sephora liquid liner. It's just a white one. Literally any white eyeliner would work. So we have done the white bits of my eye, and now I'm going to be moving on to tightlining my eyes and using some mascara just to darken my lashes. The thing mascara does. It's definitely seen a few battles. It's just a Sephora tight liner. Ignore me, I'm gonna go exorcist mode like so. Were you guys impressed? And I do tightline a tiny wee little bit just where like the black ends. We're gonna go in and use this mascara. It's a Benefit mascara. It works, it does the job, nothing fancy. So the next step after that will be eyelashes. I like these ones. I got them from Priceline. I have no idea what their name is. I'll try and find out and put in the description. I always just go for like super spiky looking eyelashes. I want to like animated look as much as possible. So I literally just lather it up. I'm actually impatient and I don't wait very long. So I'm gonna attach it to my eyeball real quick. No rhyme or rhythm strategy, whatever. I'm literally just putting it on my eyeball. Okay, those are both eyelashes applied. My first finishing touch is going to be white eyeliner on my eyebrow slit. I will say this slit is kind of on purpose, but it's also kind of unintentional. When I was attending schoolies in 2020, I got knocked in the head. Fun, many seizures later. I have a scar there, so the hair does not grow back. So I kind of like accentuate the shape a little bit, but at the end of the day, it's a scar. Like that hair doesn't grow back. I like to accentuate it a little bit. Give it a little bit of love, you know what I'm saying? Very imperfect, but it works. I want the world to see that I have a slit on my eyebrow. Next finishing touch, I'm gonna quickly do some mascara on my lower lash line. I'm so lucky I didn't get mascara on my face just then. I'm taking my little Stila liquid eyeshadow. This is the shade Starlight. This is what I use for my nose highlight. I don't like rub it in or anything. I just like dab it a little bit. After that, I go in with an eyeshadow because I'm scuffed and don't have a highlight. I take my chocolate bar palette. This is like the original like this. I was so excited to get this. It literally does taste like chocolate. I have tried it. It smells like chocolate, so naturally I tried it. So I'm just gonna take the little shimmery shade down here and I'm just gonna use it for my nose, a little end there. And then I take it up the bridge of my nose. I think that's the bridge, right? The last step is lipstick or lip gloss or lip whatever you want to do. This is my favorite lip liner of all time. I discovered it thanks to my sister. It's the Charlotte Tilbury brand. I'm probably saying that wrong. I'm sorry. It's the Lip Cheat Pillow Talk shade. Okay, now that I've applied the lip liner, I usually go in with a lip gloss, just a clear lip gloss from MECCA. And with that, the makeup routine tutorial thing is over. Thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate that you are here right now. I will see you guys in hopefully the next YouTube video. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, please let me know in the comments. I do stream on Twitch, so I stream on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays at 6 p.m. AEST, so feel free to check me out there, say hi. If you are from my Twitch stream, thank you so much for visiting this video. Hello. Stay hydrated and take care of yourselves. Bye, guys.